Hello and welcome to another video on the Mobile Made Simple channel, and today it's another Ringke casing for review for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So just before we start, I have just removed the Ringke Ultra Polymer case. So you can see there isn't any real scratching, but it does leave this residue on the top. So if I wet that, it will come off. So just pause the video a second. So you can see just slightly dampen that and wipe the hinge, and then it does come off. So we can still see slightly wear there, so just give that another rub. Mostly gone now. And on the bottom we had the same, there was like a little bit of black residue. So they've only just took the case off. So that is an element of it being so tight. So whether if you are going to use the case constantly and then not change it, then it's probably fine. But if I'm going to keep putting it on and off, obviously it may result in scratching, hopefully not. But anyway, so this is the Ringke slim case, but this one's in clear, so whether it's any tighter than the black one I don't know, so we'll go and have a look. So it's in the usual bag, so you just tear that here. Obviously, I know a lot of the viewers like the Ringke case. Just get the dust particles out that's in there straight out the packet. Don't want them getting stuck on the phone. Again, there's a strip to peel here. I don't think they are adhesive, they're just non-slip. So just slip that on. So if you are looking to show off the colour of the fold, then obviously this one's a good choice. However, you can still see the anti-slip pad going down the side. Whether that interferes with the clear look, I'm not sure, but now let's try the front. So I peel off the blue again. So you just get it started and then pull that off. So now I think there is a way to slide these cases on. I was told on a forum. Oh, there we go. So actually this one's a lot tighter than the black one. Instantly that's solid there. There's no flex on this side, and then the back. So we open up. It's just on my widget. Again, you can see the fingerprints every time we open this. But yeah, this actually looks a really good case, and it feels tighter than the black one, as there's no flex here. Slight creaking on the case when pressing around, but that's minor. We look at the ports on the bottom, so you've got plenty of access to your USB-C and the speaker on the top and the microphone. The only thing I did find on the black version, there's a little like a tag here next to Ringke. I think it's for like table protection. However, sometimes if you're using the fold open and your hand sort of goes this, and it can be a little sharp. So just bear that in mind. But yeah, overall this is like another solid case from Ringke. It's very good fitting. It's clear, so if you want to show the phone off, or you want to show like a debrand skin or something like that, and obviously this may be the case to go for. And I would imagine this will be easier to remove than the Ultra Polymer case. Whether it's as protective, I'm not sure, but obviously it should be easier to remove and it won't leave any residue on the phone, so I may leave this case on for now. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the Ringke clear case. I purchased this from amazon.co.uk, and I will put a link in the comments. See you next time.